So these are honestly some of my very favorite meals, sheet tray meals. Everything is baked on one sheet tray, which just makes it super easy. And today it's a good one. It is a delicious one. I've got roasted potatoes, roasted broccoli, which if you've never had, it's amazing. And I've got an Apricot Dijon Glazed Salmon. Yeah, all made on this one tray. Let me show you how I did it. I cut my potatoes, added olive oil, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. I spray some oil on a baking tray lined with aluminum foil, and then you're going to bake this in a 400-degree oven for 15 minutes. Chopped up some broccoli, added olive oil, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. Pulled the tray out of the oven, stirred the potatoes, added the broccoli, and back into the oven for 15 minutes. For the glaze, you need 1/4 cup of apricot preserves, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and then you will need the juice from half of a lime, about 1 tablespoon, 2 garlic cloves minced, and then about a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. And mix it all together. All right, so pull the pan out of the oven, spray a little bit more oil, add your salmon fillets, spread over the Dijon apricot glaze, stir your potatoes and broccoli, and back in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. All right, I'm going in with the salmon. It is all about that sauce, and it is delicious. Wow. If you're not a salmon fan, you could use this sauce on chicken and grill it. It would be delicious. Dipping my broccoli in that extra sauce. Oh, yeah. I hope that you give us a try. It's delicious. Thank you all so much for watching. God bless, and I'll see you on the next one.